Ladies and gentlemen, it's that time of year again. We are back once again for the 24 Drunken Days of December. Am I excited? Yes, I am excited because I get to choose the beers that I want to drink for the 24 Drunken Days of December. I have chosen a list of different beers from an Imperial IPA that means nothing for holiday season, all the way up to something like a mint beer or an eggnog stout. Spoilers, there might be something in the way of that. I've also chosen stuff that's not quite beer too. You might see something show up in the way of a whiskey, or maybe a rye, or maybe even a rum and eggnog. I don't even know yet for those ones. However, that being said, let's get right into it. This is day one. We have from Belching Beaver, it is the Imperial Phantom. Yep. Imperial Phantom Bride India Pale Ale, coming in at 9% alcohol by volume. It comes in a very formidable 19.2 ounce can. For those people out there, this is a 568 milliliter can, if I remember correctly. For all the Canadians out there. So yes, this is out of I want to say California. Yes. Brewed in Oceanside, California. Now, Belching Beaver has done a lot of stuff, including their peanut butter stout, which I have had before, and it was damn good. I have not had the regular Phantom Bride, but this one looked really intriguing as it's being 9%. And so let's get this sucker open. Poured. And we'll let it rest for a bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know if I can let it rest. That smells fucking delicious. Wow. Oh, the juice notes coming off of there. The tropical notes coming off of there. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. However, we do have something else here that we need to look at. If I can get into. Looks like that's it right there. Oh, no, that's, yeah. Yes, it is. If I can pull it open. As you know, we do have the other thing here, which is still in its packaging. Give me a second here. There's always got to be one difficult thing to do during the 24 Drunken Days. That's usually opening up a package. All right, we have our scenery here. We get to pop things open like a snowman. Well, you can't quite see because it's on the floor. Snowman, that stuff and whatnot, but we won't do that quite yet. We'll set this up a little bit later on. For now, oh, they're all in congruent things from day 23 to day 24. So there's day one, make it nice and easy at the very top. And we have it's that time. Christmas time is here. Christmas vacation. We're off to a great start. It's a cardboard postcard from the movie. All right. That's day one. Interesting. They're going down that path of day one. Well, you know what? There we go. We'll put this Christmas card right here, actually. Can we put it there? Like we usually do with cards, we put them into the Christmas tree. And we throw them out. Anyways. I'm just going to put this down here. So that's day one of the Christmas National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation Advent Calendar. Which is fine. You know what? I wasn't expecting it to be perfect. So we're going to get the rest of this poured in there. Or at least a good portion of it poured in here. And the smell, again, tropical notes for days. Wow, that smells really good. Let's get into it. Cheers, and here's to day one. Wow, okay. That is definitely an Imperial. You do have a little bit of the alcohol bitterness on there. It's a Midwest Coast meets East Coast. So you do have some juicy notes on there. Do have that bitterness of like a West Coast style. And you do have an alcohol astringency that gives it a more of a little of a bitter taste. But is it an IPA? Yes. Is it an Imperial IPA? Yes. Because you do have a little bit of the warming from the 9%. That hits you pretty good. That actually, wow, my goodness. That's a beer I can get down with. It's actually a nice little beer. So, day one. My score for day one is going to be out of 10. Well, for the National Lampoon thing, we're not even going to score that. That's kind of cool that you have that. And it's going to be hanging in my tree for the rest of the 24 days. I don't know what we're going to do with all the other stuff because there's a lot of stuff in there. We're not going to score that. The beer, you know what? That's solid. So it's an 8.5 out of 10 for me. A nice beer, good size, a little bit on the expensive side. I think it was like $7.50 for this beer, but it was from the States, so it was imported up. That's still $1.50 more than what I had for the other ones from Phillips. But you know what? That was from Victoria. This one's from California. Still on the West Coast. Still decent. And actually, I do like that beer. Not bad at all. So tell me, have you had this one before? Do you like it? Do you not like it? This is from Belching Beaver. Damn good times. It is the Deftones Imperial Phantom Bride Imperial Pale Ale coming at 9% alcohol by volume. Hits hard, does the job. It's going to help me at it. And for the day one, if you've got the calendar, are you following along as well? What did you think of day one with that nice little postcard there? It's props from the movie, so we got a few things happening with that. Till next time, I am Dan, aka the Western Canadian Reviewer, saying we'll see you for day 2 and for the other 24 drunken days of December. Till then, cheers, stay frosty. We'll talk to you real soon. Have yourselves a wonderful and safe evening, and we're off to the races. Cheers.